In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive Video View Only. First, a quick note to keep things clear and safe. When a Google Drive video is set to View Only, that means the owner has disabled downloading on purpose. Bypassing those restrictions with developer tools or copy links from the network panel isn't appropriate and can violate policies or even laws. So today, I'll show you the right, reliable ways to get a copy when you have permission, plus a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening the video in your browser while you are signed in to your Google account. If the owner allows downloads, you'll see a download option either on the top toolbar or behind the three-dot menu. Click it. Choose where to save and you are done. If you don't see a download option, that confirms it's view only. From there, the best next step is to request access. Click the Share button, then request permission and include a short, polite note explaining why you need a downloadable copy and by when. If you know the owner, consider sending a separate message so they don't miss the request. Once the owner updates the permissions or sends you a downloadable link, you'll receive an email. Open the video again, refresh the page, and check for the download option. If you are the owner yourself or you've been granted download rights, you can also download directly from your Drive file list. Right-click the video and choose Download. For very large files, Google may take a moment to prepare your download. So give it time. If you prefer an all-in-one export and you own the content, Google Takeout can package your videos for you to download safely. On mobile, open the Google Drive app, locate the video. Tap the three dots and choose Download if it's available. If download is still restricted, but you just need offline viewing, you can make the file available offline in the app. That won't create a separate video file, but it helps for playback without internet. A few quick tips to wrap up. Use a stable connection. Make sure you have enough storage space. And avoid any third-party tools that claim to bypass restrictions. They can put your account and device at risk. If you've been granted access but still don't see the option, try refreshing, clearing your cache, or switching browsers. That's it. Follow these steps to download responsibly and keep your files safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.